In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make a beautiful blouse in Irish lace technique. We are working on the front side of the project. We divide our work on some parts. We make a picture in real size, pin ready parts of blouse, then pin flowers, round elements and branches. The space between elements I will fill up with chaotic mesh. Other place I am filling up with other kind of the chaotic mesh. Let's look at the back side. I am making in the same technique the back side of the blouse. Then I will join the front side to the back side. Continue with trim of the blouse. And finishing the work by joining short pieces of sleeves with ribbon. It is a pattern of the front and back sides in real size. For work you need Irish project from the tutorial 40, pins, crochet hooks, mat, balls of yarn, and ribbons. We pin a painting on a mat that I made in real size. Begin the work from the front side of the blouse. I pin a ready project. As you can see, the lower edge stands beyond the border of our pattern. We have got an even edge. Now we pin separate elements. Flowers, round elements, and such big flowers. All elements I will pin on the pattern. I have already pinned all elements. I sew in the places of contiguity. Then I crochet chaotic mesh from the flowers to this line. You should leave such small place. Here we have a small places. The places between lines I will fill up with chaotic mesh. The space between flowers I will fill up with chaotic mesh as we did in the Irish project. Then I will show you how to make other kind of chaotic mesh. On this example. The chaotic mesh will be made of gray color of yarn. I will crochet in this direction. Insert the hook into the stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Remove the hook, insert it into the stitch on the opposite side Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain and make single crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Remove the hook, insert it into the stitch on the right, take the working loop, pull it through. Then make a single crochet. Make a chain and single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert the hook into the chain space by making single crochet. Then single crochet more into the same chain space. I fix this place of the work. A chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Remove the hook, insert it into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. Turn the work a little bit, make a chain and single crochet into the chain. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Make a chain of 3, 1, 2, and 3. It's enough for us. Remove the hook, insert it into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. Turn the work. Make a chain and single crochet into the chain. 1, 2, 3. Let's repeat the second time. 2, 3, and make single crochet into the next chain space. We have done the one side. Now turn the work. And we continue the work. We continue the work. 2 single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2. Fix it. And we continue the work. Make a chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remove the hook, insert it into the stitch on the opposite side, take the working loop, pull it through. Fix it. Make a chain, then make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Make a chain of 2, 1, 2, Remove the hook, insert it into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. I fix this place, make a chain, and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the next chain space, make a single crochet. 1. Work with this chain space, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Work with this chain space, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 'Make a chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the single crochet, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain and single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Let's repeat again. 3. Make a chain of 2, remove the hook, insert it into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain and single crochet. 1 and 2. Then make single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now work into this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet. Let's make some single crochet stitches. 1, and we can cut off the yarn. The work is finished. I have done the front side. Let's make the back side of the blouse. I used the same methods and technique as in the front side. Then I will join two parts. One part I detach from the mat and the second part still pinned. I will sew them together. You should choose color of yarn and sew them together. I will make a trim of the shoulders. Make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, next 2, make into the next chain space. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 single crochet. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. Work a slip stitch into the first chain stitch on the beginning. Begin the second round. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. And we continue the work in this way till the end of this row. I have done the second row of the trim. Work a slip stitch into the first chain stitch at the beginning. Make a chain. And now reverse single crochet trim. This is the third round of the trim. And we continue the work till the end of this row. I have done the trim. In the same way I did the trim for the neckline and other parts of the blouse. Join short pieces of sleeves with ribbon. In this video we have learned how to make a beautiful adorable blouse in Irish lace technique. We used flowers, round elements, branches. Also we used two kinds of chaotic mesh. And finishing the work by crocheting trims. Thanks for watching.